Huh?
Move na.
If I can. Oh my god, look at the brown one. That's so big. Oh my
Uy, quiet.
god.
Quiet mo.
Oh my god, it looks like. Oh, it's so cute. It looks like
They look so cuddly.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, anak ko.
Are they gonna attack? Are they gonna go for a swim? Wala. Na-edge ko na.
Stop, Ben. Stop. Don't move.
I'm not even moving.
We're not
What's wrong with her?
Wala, huy, edge. Wait, what? So cute.
She's like, earlier she was walking to him. She's like, where should I go?
Tara, Ben. Let's go na so they can watch.
Are they not in my car?
What happened to him?
Wala, maybe he's stressed.
Yeah, he's stressed. He's walking back and forth.
If they were married, they will have babies, right?
Stop anay kadali, Ben. Kahing tawid si Ja.
What's she doing? She's so cute.
Probably swim. The other one.
The other one, look,
Oh, they had also a bear over there crossing. Ah. See? There's also one
He's
over there
following the black
crossing.
one.